I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is computer devices. Learning apes, understanding the main parts of a computer, learning about input, output, IPO devices and discovering different storage devices. So students, have you ever played this with blocks? Each block has a special place and helps to create something wonderful. Computers are similar. They are made up of different parts that work together to help us to do many things. And now let us have a look at these parts of a computer along with the devices connected to it. जैसे blocks के अलग-अलग pieces होते हैं, when you combine them, it starts to make sense. Similar way में अलग-अलग parts आपके computer में भी होते हैं. Let's study about them. Now let's see the main parts of a computer. A computer is made up of several important parts, namely input devices, processing devices and output devices, which collectively constitutes the IPO cycle, the input, the processing and the output. Now the input devices, number one, we have the keyboard. The keyboard has many buttons called keys. The keyboard is used to type letters, numbers and symbols into the computer. Keyboard से आप उसमें alphabets होते हैं, special keys होती हैं, numbers होते हैं. कुछ भी आपको लिखना है वो आप करते हो कीबोर्ड से, which is again an input device. Then you have the mouse. The mouse is a small device that is moved with our hand. It has two buttons and a scroll wheel, and the mouse is used to point at things on the screen and click to select them. A mouse छोटा सा डिवाइस होता है. कुछ भी आपको मॉनिटर पे सिलेक्ट करना है, ड्रॉ करना है, पेंट करना है, आइकन्स को ड्रैग करना है, वो आप करते हो माउस की मदद से. इसमें लेफ्ट बटन होता है, राइट बटन होता है और बीच में एक स्क्रोल व्हील होता है. Then you have the microphone. It is a small device attached to the computer. It is used to record our voice or other sounds into the computer. फिर microphone छोटा सा होता है, कंप्यूटर के साथ attached होता है. कोई भी चीज़ आपको रिकॉर्ड करनी है या कंप्यूटर wants to listen to you. That happens through the microphone. And these three are your input devices. Then you have the processing devices. Number one is CPU. Central Processing Unit or CPU is the brain of the computer where all the thinking happens. It processes the instructions from the programs and performs calculations. And CPU is attached to the motherboard, which is present inside the CPU box. Pehla processing device, the Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. It lets you do all kinds of thinking that the computer does and then performs all kinds of various tasks. जितने इंस्ट्रक्शंस की प्रोग्रामिंग वगैरह होती है वो करता है सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. इट इज अटैच्ड टू द मदरबोर्ड व्हिच इज अगेन प्रेजेंट इन द सीपीयू बॉक्स. Now the tech nuggets, computer recycling. Old computer parts can be recycled to extract precious metals like gold, silver and copper. About 7% of world's gold is in electronic devices. तो computer recycling के अलग अलग parts को recycle करके gold, silver ऐसी चीज़ें भी आप extract कर सकते हो. Approximately world का जो 7% gold है वो electronic devices में ही feed है, installed है. Now we have the output devices. Output devices are the parts of the computer that allows us to see or hear the information processed by the computer. अब जितना processing हो गया है वो आपको output device की मदद से in the form of result देखने को मिलता है. सबसे पहला output device है monitor. The monitor is like a TV screen. It shows us what we are doing on the computer. It is used to see videos, pictures and the work we do on the computer. Monitor जितना भी इनपुट आपने डाला है विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर माउस, माइक्रोफोन और योर कीबोर्ड, वो प्रोसेसिंग होती है और दिखता कहाँ पर है आपको? कंप्यूटर्स के मॉनिटर स्क्रीन पे. पिक्चर्स, वीडियोस, अलग अलग टाइप की चीजें आपको मॉनिटर पे देखने को मिलती हैं. देन यू हैव द प्रिंटर. The printer is a small box-like device attached to a computer. It is used to print documents and pictures on paper. फिर आता है printer, छोटा सा डिवाइस होता है जो आपके कंप्यूटर के साथ अटैच किया जाता है एक्सटर्नली, और जितना भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स होता है जो आपके कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे होता है, रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट, वो आपका पेपर पे प्रिंट हो जाता है विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ प्रिंटर एंड वी कॉल दैट थिंग अ प्रिंट आउट. Then we have the speakers. Speakers are two small box-like devices attached to the computer. Speakers are used to hear sounds of music and other programs from computer. अब आता है speaker, छोटे-छोटे से boxes होते हैं. They are in pairs. दो होते हैं ये. And it lets you hear all kinds of audios या videos में जो sounds होती है, games में जो visuals या audio visuals होते हैं, वो आपको speakers की मदद से सुनने को मिलते हैं. Now we have a quiz and these questions you have to answer them on your own. Now let's study about the storage devices. A computer has a memory to remember and store things. Storage devices are the parts of the computer that store data and information to use it later. तो computers के पास भी storage devices होती हैं which lets it store in the information ताकि बाद में वो उसको use कर सके जब भी ज़रूरत पड़े. So let's see the types of storage devices. Number one is hard drive. A hard drive HDD is a device that is fixed inside the CPU box. It is used to store all your files and data. It's like a big box where you can keep your toys, books and games. Now how does it work? Inside the hard drive there is a spinning disk that stores data. When you want to open a file, the disk spins and a tiny arm reads the data, much like how a record player works. It has moving parts in it, so it is prone to damage. अब आता है हार्ड ड्राइव HDD. CPU बॉक्स के अंदर ये होता है. इट स्टोर्स ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, टॉयज, बुक्स, गेम, स्टोरीज जो आपको डालना है. काम कैसे करता है? इसमें एक स्पिनिंग व्हील होता है या स्पिनिंग डिस्क होता है जो डेटा को स्टोर करता है. ये स्पिनिंग आपको कभी कभी कंप्यूटर लैपटॉप से ऐसी आवाज भी आएगी. द हार्ड ड्राइव इनसाइड द CPU एक्चुअली स्पिन्स, जिसमें आपका डेटा स्टोर्ड होता है. नाउ बिकॉज दिस इज अ मूवेबल पार्ट, मूव करता रहता है, तो ये डैमेज भी उतनी ही आसानी से होता है. Then you have a solid state drive, the SSD. An SSD is another type of storage device that also keeps your files and data safe. Think of it like a big box that holds your toys but without any moving parts. Now how does it work? Unlike a hard drive, an SSD has no spinning disks. It uses flash memory, which makes it much faster at reading and writing information, and this makes it really fast at saving and finding our files. So when you play games or look at pictures on your computer, everything happens quicker because of the SSD. Now you have the SSD, the solid state drives. इसमें भी आपका information store होता है. It's like a big box. जैसे आप सारे टॉयज अपने बड़े से बॉक्स में रख देते हो, इट इज जस्ट लाइक दैट. कोई मूविंग पार्ट इसमें लाइक हार्ड ड्राइव नहीं होता है, इसीलिए इसमें डैमेज भी नहीं होता है. इट इज मच मोर एफिशिएंट, क्विकर एंड फास्टर. Let's see the comparison between HDD and SSD. Speed. SSDs are much faster than hard drives. They can open files and start programs quickly because they don't have to wait for a disk to spin. SSDs ज़्यादा faster होते हैं क्योंकि इसमें spin move नहीं करता है, so you don't have to wait for the spin to move or the spinning of the disk. That is why ये ज़्यादा faster होता है as compared to the hard drive. Now durability. Since SSDs have no moving parts, they are more durable and less likely to break if you drop your computer. अब SSDs में क्योंकि movable parts नहीं होते हैं, तो ये ज़्यादा durable होते हैं again as compared to the hard disk. Now you have the storage capacity. Hard drives usually come with more storage space than SSDs for the same price, making them a good choice if you need a lot of storage. अब SSDs और hard drives की pricing में ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता है. Same price में ही hard drives में आप ज़्यादा चीज़ें store कर सकते हो as compared to the SSDs, इसीलिए लोग hard drives को ज़्यादा choose करते हैं. And the cost. SSDs are generally more expensive than hard drives. ज़्यादातर SSDs जो होते हैं वो ज़्यादा expensive होते हैं as compared to the hard drives. Then we have a pen drive. A pen drive, also known as a USB flash drive, is a portable storage device that connects to computers through a USB port. It is used for storing and transferring data such as documents, photos and videos from one computer to another. अब आता है पेन ड्राइव. USB फ्लैश ड्राइव भी इसे कहा जाता है. इसको आप USB पोर्ट के साथ अटैच करते हो कंप्यूटर्स या लैपटॉप्स पे, एंड जो भी चीज़ें इसके अंदर स्टोर होती हैं वो सीधे आपके मॉनिटर स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले हो जाती हैं. Now, information literacy. The pen drive, also known as the USB flash drive, was created by Dov Moran, an Israeli engineer and entrepreneur, in 1999. Moran was the founder of an Israeli company called M Systems, which is credited with developing the first commercial flash drive called the Disk on Key. तो पहला जो USB flash drive या pen drive था, it was created by Dov Moran, an engineer from Israel. 1999 में इन्होंने इसको invent करा था या discover किया था. He's also credited for his creations or innovations of the M Systems, और पहली ऐसी flash drive का नाम था Disk on Key. Now the CD or DVD. CD, the compact discs, and DVDs, digital versatile discs, are optical storage discs used to store digital data including music, movies, software and other files. They are round flat discs made of plastic with a shiny metallic layer. CDs and DVDs are played in special drives called CD or DVD drives, commonly found in computers and entertainment devices. अब आते हैं CDs, compact disc, DVDs, the digital versatile डिस्क. फ्लैट होती हैं ये, एंड इसमें भी आप ह्यूज डॉक्यूमेंट्स, फाइल्स, वीडियो गेम्स, वीडियोस, ऑडियोज, इन सब चीज़ों को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. Then you have a memory card. A memory card is a small data storage device used in devices such as digital cameras, smartphones, tablets, and handheld gaming consoles. It is small enough to fit in your hand but can hold a lot of stuff, making it easier to save and move your favorite memories and games between different devices. अब आते हैं memory card पे. छोटा सा होता है ये, इसमें भी आपके thousands of photos, videos, चीज़ें store हो सकती हैं. It is small enough to fit into your hand also. So this is a memory card. Now a quiz whiz, इनके full forms आपको खुद से लिखने हैं. Now let's sum up. Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU box are the main parts of a computer. Input devices help us to put data into the computer. Output devices help us to get information out of the computer. The CPU processes the data and the storage devices keep our data safe with hard drives and SSDs. So how does the storage happen in the computers? What sort of storage devices do we have available in the markets? That is what we have studied in this chapter. Let's explore yourself. Tick the correct option. What is the brain of the computer called? It is called the CPU. Option number C, Central Processing Unit. Fill in the blanks. The dash shows what we are doing on the computer. Monitor. Write T for true or F for false. A memory card is a large fixed storage device inside the CPU box. This is incorrect, so hence you will write F. Match the input or output device with its description. Number 1 is the keyboard. It is the input device for typing. Answer the following questions. Write 2 examples of output devices. CPU is a kind of, the monitor is a kind of output device and the printer. These 2 are your output devices. Tech fun, computer analogies. CPU is to brain as keyboard is to monitor or CPU is to hand. Label the following as input, processing, output or storage device. तो पहला keyboard है, keyboard is your input device. आप इससे लिख सकते हो. Circle the one which does not belong to the group. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, refrigerator. Refrigerator is the odd one out. Let's talk tech. Which do you think is more important? The speed of SSDs or storage capacity of HDDs and Ys? अब आपको एक क्लास में डिस्कस करना है कि SSDs की स्पीड ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है या फिर HDDs का स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी. And why do you think so? Just support your answer with some statements also. Life skill activities. Imagine you are tasked with organizing and managing your family's digital photos and videos stored on various devices, cameras, smartphones, computers. Write on the steps you would take to ensure all important memories are safely backed up and organized for easy access. तो घरों पे आपको जो भी आपकी फोटोज वीडियोस हैं वो आपको स्टोर करनी है ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे सेफ रहे. यू हैव टू डिस्कस कहाँ पे आप सेव करोगे सो दैट वो आपकी सेफ तरीके से स्टोर रहे. So students, with this we have come to the end of this chapter also. Just go through this chapter thoroughly, revise it, do memorize it, do practice it and rest of the exercise questions. Please do it yourself.